Go.
Hi, this is Heather Anderson-Duncan, and I'm presenting my geological timescale, which is here. All of that. So, that is the entire thing. Close up. So if we start here at the top, we have the formation of Earth about 4.5, 4.6 possibly million years ago. And that's the Hadean era. All of this next couple eras here are considered Precambrian. The first rocks formed at around 4,400 million years ago, which was the solidification of the molten lava. Down here at 3,800, we have the Archean era, eon. And in the middle of this, at 3,500 million years ago, life emerges in the forms of small bacteria. Coming down here, 2,700 million years ago, cellular nucleuses form, which are the eukaryote cells. Coming down here, Proterozoic era, eon, 2,400 million years ago. Oxygen begins to accumulate due to photosynthetic organisms and very small microbes that can take in the CO2 and convert it into oxygen. So that's when our atmosphere started to have oxygen. Down here we have multicellular organisms emerge, and that's actually from when the eukaryotes formed together to make multiple celled organisms. And then we're going to just pull the timeline up from this point here. Lots and lots of bacteria forming in this area. And then we get to here. And this is the beginning of sort of the life as we know it and the end of the Precambrian era. So in here in the Paleozoic era, we have the Cambrian period. Fish started to come out right about here, 530 million years ago. We've got not a lot going on in here, just pretty much more evolution. Life on land began right in the beginning of the Silurian period, which is also right after the first mass extinction of the Ordovician period. Coming down this way, the Devonian period had the second mass extinction, although it's not quite sure what was caused by this. It's speculated that it was possible, it's sort of in the middle here, that's possibly from the plants rooting up different things into the ocean floors. It created just a sort of different flora and fauna of life, and different lives emerged and different ones didn't. Come in through here, through the Mississippian, Pennsylvanian, and the Permian period. The very end of this one is the largest mass extinction that we have seen, and 96% of life ended up dying due to some catastrophic events, including a volcanic eruption in Siberia. The Mesozoic era is where we start to see different reptiles and stuff emerge, mammals at the very, very end of the Triassic period, probably following the Triassic extinction. Jurassic period, Cretaceous period, and then the death of the dinosaurs here at the very end of the Cretaceous with the final mass extinction that we have seen. And then it gets into much smaller detail here because things changed rapidly and there hasn't been a lot of time span since then. And this is the Cenozoic era. As you can see here, the Paleogen and the Paleocene. Very small, hard to write in there. Going down into here, we see into our smaller epochs here that we now have divided into. This tiny area here between my fingers is our current epoch. And then that one is the I'm not going to be able to say that one, I'm sorry. That's only 2.6 million years ago. In that time, we saw the ice sheets form over North America in the last ice age. And then, too hard to represent, is 0.2 million years ago, humans emerged. So that would be 10,000 years ago. And our last epoch here is only 0.01, since 1 millimeter equals 20 million years on here, there's no possible way I could denote that other than just drawing some arrows to the exact same spot. So that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.